So if you just got the MoveMic 2, in this video, I'm gonna walk you step by step on getting it set up directly with your phone so you can have broadcast sounding quality audio without any wires. So when you first get the MoveMic 2 and you open it up, you're going to see a charge case just like this. This charge case is gonna be able to hold up to a 24-hour charge, and then the MoveMics inside can hold up to about an 8-hour charge. So when you open it up, you're going to see just how tiny these mics are. So just take a look at this to be able to see the size of this. It's not only lightweight, but the quality is just pretty incredible. And the audio that you get from this is also incredible as well. So if you haven't heard the audio of these just yet, I want to show you the difference of what they sound like. So I'm going to go over here to the Shure website. And again, I'll put a link in the description of this video. But here's what's going to sound like when you utilize the mic directly from your phone.
So today I'm here with Alex, the lead singer from Stay Hungry, a band from South London.
And now here's the audio when you actually utilize the Shure MoveMic.
So Alex, what are your musical influences?
Musically, I'm
Do you
inspired
hear
by
how
Amy
it's
Winehouse.
literally picked up and removed the background noise, and it's amplified the sound of the voice of the people that are in the video? So I'm going to show you how you can customize this utilizing the app to go ahead and get professional sounding audio. So go ahead and take it outside of the actual box. What you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna grab your phone. You're gonna wanna come and get the Motive Video app, and you can get that in the Google Play Store or you can get it in the App Store. Once you go ahead and have that downloaded, we're gonna wanna go ahead and get that open. So once you have the Motive app open, you're going to go ahead and see that it's automatically going to open up your camera to begin recording videos. What we want to do first is connect the MoveMic to our phone. So to be able to do that, you're going to want to go ahead and go to with the microphone and gear wrench. So you'll select that. And now here in the top right, you're going to see an option to be able to add in the MoveMic. So we'll select that. It's going to go ahead and say tap on device to be able to connect. So what we want to do now is on the right side of the MoveMic, we want to just press it down, and you're going to go ahead and see a blue and red light turn on. And when you see that, that's going to let you know that it is now looking to pair. So there's the light that we're looking for. You'll see it pop up here on the mobile app. We'll go ahead and select it, and it's going to instantly go ahead and connect. You're then going to get an option to update the firmware. I encourage you to do so. And now you're going to see we're going to have tons of options to customize the way this is going to go ahead and sound. Now, out of the gate, the gain is going to be pretty high. And you're going to see here that as I'm using the mic, if I get really close to it, I'm going to be peaking, I'm going to be in the red. So what I encourage you to do is to go ahead and utilize the mic and have it at 20 and then gauge whether you need to increase it or decrease it. What you want to look for is that when you're utilizing it, you're kind of staying in the greenish yellow kind of realm and not touching into the actual red. Then you go scroll down, you're going to have 3 different presets you can go ahead and utilize. The first one is going to be speech. The second one is going to be singing. And then the third one is going to be flat. So once you decided on what preset you want to be able to utilize, you can go ahead and select noise reduction. You can go ahead and adjust the compressor, the high pass filter, and then you're also able to come in here and customize the equalizer. So again, you're going to get that broadcast quality audio utilizing the MoveMic without any wires, without being connected to a computer or anything of that sort. So once you have that set up, you can go ahead and close it. If you have the second MoveMic, you can go ahead and get that connected. But now you can go ahead and press this record button and begin to record a video or a podcast utilizing the MoveMics and capturing that audio. You can also go ahead and live stream directly from your phone utilizing the video app and the MoveMics as well. And to be able to do that, you would click this little live icon. You can sign into Facebook or connect another platform like YouTube, like Twitch, like Kick, any other streaming platform that you want. And now you'll have the good audio and you'll have the good video. Now, if you want to be able to go ahead and utilize the MoveMics with another app or on your camera, you're going to want to go ahead and acquire the MoveMic Receiver. So the receiver is going to allow you to be able to utilize the MoveMics with any software or any app on your phone, or to utilize them with your camera. So once you go ahead and have the MoveMic Receiver, and again, I'll put a link in the description of this video to everything that I mentioned, you're going to go ahead and get it connected to the receiver by powering it on, holding the power button as well, and then you would pair them. Once you have it paired, what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab the USB-C cable, you're going to plug it there, and then you want to plug the other end. If your phone has USB-C, plug that in. Once you have it plugged in, you can then now start utilizing the MoveMic inside of any app on your phone, and the process would be exactly the same for utilizing your camera. You would just, instead of using the USB-C cable, you would go ahead and connect the audio cable to your camera, and then again, you're able to utilize the MoveMic. Now, if you don't have a USB-C phone, Shure does offer a cable that has a lightning extension for it for the iPhone that you can go ahead and utilize. So again, that is going to be how you're going to go ahead and set up your MoveMics to be able to go ahead and utilize them. Now, if you don't want to utilize a wireless mic and you want to use more like a mic like this that's connected to an audio interface like the Shure SM7dB, go ahead and watch this video right here where I walk you step by step on setting up a mic just like this. I'll see you guys in the next video.